In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PDF24 OCR. Now, what OCR does is actually if you, for example, scanned a PDF or a document and you now have a PDF document, however, it's not editable, you can't actually copy, select anything like this. This is not possible. What you have to do is actually OCR it, and when you do that, it's going to kind of recognize the text and you'll be then able to select it, copy it, and do whatever you want with it. So to do this, open up your PDF24 toolbox, click on PDF OCR over here on the right. It's going to open up this OCR tool here, and this is where you basically have to put in your scanned document. So if I go to add files, and I'm going to do from file system, I have a scanned document here in my download. So let me actually find it quickly. Should be somewhere around here. I'm actually going to search for it. Scanned, there we go. Okay, scanned PDF. I'm going to click on it, click on open. There we go. And all you have to do here is select it. And then up top, it's going to give you a bunch of different options on the right over here. So you have a bunch of different models. You can usually just leave this as it is, and it's going to be very good. Just make sure you actually set the language to the actual language of your PDF. Okay, I'm going to leave it like this. But of course, again, if you want to, you can change these settings. It's completely up to you. And then you'll see what the results are. You can tweak them, stuff like that. When you're ready, click on start over here. Usually this will basically take a few seconds. So here the estimated time just jumped from 2 minutes to 16 seconds. You can see currently I'm on page 3 of 5. It's processing in the back here, and usually it's very quick. So as you can see here, it's going to be like 10 to 15 seconds, maybe 20. There we go. It says done. I can now go and actually save this file. So I can click on save files and I can just save this. So I'm going to save this into my downloads. I'm going to click save. There we go. And if I now open this document, which I'm going to do in a second to show you, you can see this is a scan of a document. So it used to be a scan like this, but I can go and now kind of hover over the text. There we go. And the text is actually recognized. So if I go in, for example, hover over this, right click, I can copy, and I can even put it up here, for example, and you can see I've pasted this and the text is exactly the same, which means that the OCR is working and I now can copy and select anything inside this PDF. So that's how to use it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.